Hey y'all, Successful Six. This is a Walmart haul, and at Walmart we needed some things because we're having a little party, a home party. So at Walmart, we went to Walmart and we needed some chicken wings. So we got the Better Good chicken wings. It is the brown sugar and it's Cajun dry rub. Then also at Walmart, we wanted to get some onion rings. So we got some Nathan's thick onion rings. And then we just got the regular Great Value onion rings. We got some beef patties from Walmart. We got a bag of 4-pound tilapia. We got a thing of 2 of the boneless chicken thighs, skinless. And then we got a large